We are counting down the 9 electric vehicle tire brands that are rewriting the rules and outclassing the old giants where it matters most. From brands delivering extreme mileage and class-leading wet grip to those cutting noise and price, and even boosting your electric vehicle range beyond what legacy names can match, each ranking is powered by independent test data and insider original equipment manufacturer secrets. Some of these names will surprise you, and the gap over Michelin and Goodyear is bigger than you have been told. Let us kick it off with number 9. Nexen lands at number 9 for one reason: aerodynamic obsession. On the Hyundai Ioniq 6, which boasts a world-beating 0.21 drag coefficient, Nexen's Infera Sport EV is the factory choice, not Michelin, not Goodyear. Their design team engineered a sidewall profile that smooths airflow right at the wheel arch, cutting down turbulence that would otherwise sap range. This is not just marketing. Hyundai's own spec sheets credit the tire's flush fitment as a factor in hitting that ultra-low drag number. For drivers, that means every mile of range is protected by tire tech most brands have not even started copying. Nexen's edge is niche, but for electric vehicles chasing efficiency, it is a game-changing advantage. Sailun's E-Range F storms into the list as the ultimate price disruptor. Launched in late 2022, this tire uses Eco.3 liquid phase mixing, a technology usually reserved for the industry's elite. The result is near premium quietness and rolling resistance at roughly 50% of the price of a Michelin equivalent. Internal tests and early coast-down checks show promising numbers on cabin noise and efficiency, though independent lab data is still catching up. The 50% price claim is bold and needs more verification, but for drivers willing to challenge the old guard, Sailun is forcing a rethink on what budget tires can deliver for electric vehicles. Dutch tire maker Vredestein has built its reputation on mastering rain-soaked roads. The Quatrac Pro EV takes that obsession to the next level for electric vehicles, using a tread pattern engineered to channel water away from the wide, flat footprints that electric vehicles demand. Where many all-season tires start to lose contact in heavy highway rain, Vredestein's deep, precision-cut grooves help the tire maintain grip at speeds where others begin to float. European lab tests awarded a B rating for wet grip and a noise score as low as 70 decibels, quieter than most Goodyear tires in this class. The compound is tuned for both efficiency and stability, with up to 15% lower rolling resistance than Vredestein's own older models. For drivers, that means more control and less hydroplaning risk, even when standing water tries to take over the road. Yokohama's Advanced Sport EV lands right in the sweet spot for drivers who want sharp handling without torching their wallet. In Q4 of 2023, these retailed for about $60 to $70 less per tire than the Michelin Pilot Sport 4S in the popular 235 by 45 R18 size. That is a $250 savings across 4 corners, enough to cover a week's worth of charging or a road trip, but cheaper does not mean compromised. Independent dry lateral grip tests from Tire Reviews and Auto Express show the Advanced Sport EV matching Michelin's Pilot Sport 4S for cornering G-force. The rubber stays planted, delivering the same sporty confidence on twisty roads. For drivers who want performance without the premium tax, Yokohama proves you do not have to choose between saving cash and carving corners. It is an easy upgrade for anyone tired of paying top dollar just for a brand name. Pirelli's P0 Elect wasn't built for ordinary commutes. It was made to survive the kind of launches that would shred a regular tire in seconds. When Lucid Motors engineered the Air Sapphire with 1,234 horsepower and a sub-2 second 0 to 60 miles per hour launch, they needed a tire that could actually handle the violence of electric torque. Pirelli stepped in with a compound and carcass reinforced specifically for this job, co-developed the tire alongside Lucid's engineers. The Elect badge means more than just electric vehicle compatibility. It is proof that the tire structure resists the brutal shearing forces that come with instant maximum acceleration. No Michelin or Goodyear in this class has been factory fitted to a car with this much power. For owners of high-performance electric vehicles, this is the difference between a tire that grips and survives and one that disintegrates after a few hard launches. At the ultra-performance edge, Pirelli has the muscle the old guard can match. Nokian has been building winter tires since 1934, and their Pirelli R5 EV is proof that heritage matters when the temperature drops. Unlike standard all seasons, this tire uses microscopic Arctic grip crystals mixed right into the rubber. These act like invisible studs, biting into black ice and pack snow when the road turns treacherous. Independent Nordic test tracks routinely show the R5 EV stopping in shorter distances and holding traction where Michelin's X-Ice and other big names start to slide. For cold climate EV owners, that is not just a comfort, it is a safety upgrade. You can feel every time the forecast calls for freezing rain. Nokian's mechanical grip is not a marketing gimmick. It is a physics solution engineered for the kind of winters where losing control is not an option. In the world of electric cars, when winter hits hard, no one outgrips Nokian. Continental's premium Contact 6 and 7 have become the quiet favorite among European luxury electric vehicles, and the reason is simple. When the pavement turns slick, these tires stop you sooner than the competition. In 2023 standardized tests conducted by Tire Reviews, the premium Contact lineup brought a Tesla Model 3 to a halt from 80 kilometers per hour, a full 2 to 3 meters before equivalent Goodyear Eagle models, using the same car, same tire size, and a tightly controlled wet track protocol. That's an entire car length. In a real-world emergency, those extra meters are the difference between a close call and a collision. For daily drivers, wet braking isn't a niche feature, it's a life-saving advantage every time rain hits the road. Continental's focus on advanced silica compounds and tread design translates into real stopping power, not just lab numbers. When safety is on the line, premium Contact puts distance between you and disaster, outclassing the old guard where it matters most. Bridgestone's answer to the EV tire crisis is simple: make them last. The Turanza EV rolled out in May 2023 with a promise that most rivals cannot touch, a 50,000-mile limited warranty. That is not marketing fluff. It is a direct shot at the reality that many Michelin and Goodyear EV tires are worn slick by 20,000 miles, sometimes less, because of electric torque. The secret is Peak Life Polymer, a new compound engineered to resist the shearing forces that rip up traditional rubber on heavy, high-powered EVs. Bridgestone's warranty is not just a number on paper. It is backed by lab and real-world wear tests showing the Turanza EV keeps its tread long after big brand competitors have hit the wear bars. For high-mileage drivers, that is thousands in potential savings over the life of the car. When every extra mile counts for your wallet, Bridgestone's focus on durability means less time shopping for replacements and more time driving. Hankook's Ion Evo AS is not just another tire with an EV badge on the sidewall. This is the result of years of purpose-built engineering, chasing one metric that matters most to every electric driver: range. In independent coast-down testing by TÜV-SÜD in 2023, the Ion Evo AS posted up to 15% lower rolling resistance than its closest premium rivals. To put that in perspective, a 15% drop in rolling resistance on a 300-mile EV translates to roughly 45 free miles without touching the battery or the charger. That's the kind of difference you feel on a road trip or when you're squeezing out that last stretch of highway before the next fast charger. The secret is in the compound and the structure. Hankook did not recycle an old design. They built a new tread pattern and sidewall geometry, blending ultra-high silica with a next-generation polymer matrix. This is not just about lab numbers. Consumer reports and tire rack range tests back up the claim. Drivers report noticeably longer distances per charge, especially on Teslas and Hyundais that swap from Michelin or Goodyear to the Ion Evo AS. On a chart, the Ion Evo AS sits at the top, beating everything else tested in 2023 for rolling resistance, no asterisks, no fine print. For daily commuters, that means less time at the plug and more miles on the move. In the EV era, efficiency is king, and Hankook wears the crown. If you want the single biggest upgrade for daily driving distance, this is it. Michelin and Goodyear just got left behind. Across all 9 brands, one pattern is clear. Innovation in electric vehicle tires is not coming from the traditional giants, but from challengers who embrace design specific to electric vehicles. The market is shifting fast. For drivers, choosing wisely now means more range, more safety, and more savings. The tire hierarchy is being rewritten.